Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant.
Daily news and updates for 13th October 2023. The Income Tax 24th Amendment Rules 2023 were notified on October 10, 2023 by the CBDT. These rules amend the Income Tax Rules 1962 to exempt non-resident individuals, not being companies, and foreign companies from submitting Form 60 in respect of certain transactions specified under Rule 11(4)(b) of the Income Tax Rules 1962, provided that number 1, the transaction is entered into with an IFSC banking unit, and number 2, the non-resident individual or foreign company does not have any income chargeable to tax in India. This exemption is intended to simplify the compliance burden on non-resident individuals and foreign companies and to promote ease of doing business in India. Earlier, RBI via circular dated December 14, 2021, introduced a prompt corrective action framework for NBFCs. The objective of this framework was to establish supervisory intervention at an appropriate time and require supervised entity to initiate and implement remedial measures in a timely manner. Now, the RBI has decided to extend the framework to government NBFCs except those in base layer with effect from 1st of October 2024 based on the audited financials of NBFCs as on 31st March 2024 or thereafter. Concurrent audit in banks must add demonstrable value in the current competitive banking environment and meet the increasing expectations of regulators, government, and professional bodies reflecting the growing importance placed on the function. Therefore, ICAI has issued Manual on Concurrent Audit of Banks 2023 edition to assist members in undertaking the intricacies of concurrent audit and to provide them guidance regarding critical issues related to concurrent audit of banks. The major challenges that are being faced by the Indian pharmaceutical companies includes regulatory compliances, intellectual property rights issues, price controls, innovation and infrastructure challenge, skilled workforce, and global competition. Internal audit can be considered as a best tool to overcome such challenges. Therefore, in order to provide guidance to internal auditors in carrying out internal audit of companies operating in pharmaceutical industry, a technical guide on internal audit of pharmaceutical industry has been issued by ICAI. The government is drawing up a policy to incentivize local manufacturing of electric cars, a move aimed at laying a level playing field for the industry. Local manufacturing will also boost employment generation while bringing down overall car prices. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, which operates under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, has commenced discussions to put in place a scheme for subsidizing electric four-wheeler makers linked to investment made by these companies for producing vehicles in the country. Small finance banks in India, including AU, Equitas and Ujjivan, are waiting for regulatory approval to upgrade their licenses and become universal banks. Despite already offering a wide range of products, these banks want to shed the small bank label to improve their perception among stakeholders and attract more depositors.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.